I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses.
In our last episode, we anchored just south of the ferry boats in Antiparos town to wait out a Meltemi that lasted about 5 days. We are now leaving the beautiful town of Antiparos and sailing to the south end of the island so we can drop anchor between Antiparos Island and Despotiko Island.
Well, I'll track through a Meltemi from the 16th or so till the 23rd. We've been here. Not terrible. Off we go. Ready? Yep. We are off. It was not difficult to bring the anchor up, which is so funny to me because it was like literally dug in through the Meltemi with all those winds. I feel like I'm leaving my home. We've been here for so long and through so much stress, and we're not going far today. We're going to the same island that we're on now, but we're going south. There's a boat coming over here, so I want to...
Is that brown stuff?
Brown stuff where?
On the cable, the line. See it? It's like a brown.
Yeah.
That's all the shit that was blown in.
So that right there is Paros Island, and we stayed there on the very north side, which is all the way over there, in a town called Nusa, which should have been in a previous video. And then this town here, or this island here, is called Antiparos, where Mr. Tom Hanks lives. And now we're going to the south side of Antiparos to an anchorage called Despotiko. I can't remember what the name of it is, but we're going there and stay there for I think just a night or two. I'm not really sure. So we're gonna come down like that and then go around and stay in here. So the Cave and the Arch are over here somewhere, but apparently it's not the calmest, nicest anchorage to sleep in. So we'll pass by it, see if we want to put our anchor down and explore it with the dinghy, and then come over here to actually anchor. That's where all the kiteboarders were for the last week, but there's no wind right now, so nobody's out. Alright, so we've made some pretty good progress. We were up here the last time I videoed, and we've gone all the way down here in about an hour and a half, and now we're right there. We made our turn. The Cave and the Arch are right about here, and we're going to anchor in here. So we'll just come back with the dinghy so we don't have to re-anchor. This is what it looks like right now. The Cave and the Arch are where that enormous white boat is. Ooh, somebody just jumped from the top of the cliff. That isn't hard. Oh, it's nice and calm in there. Tide back. Bringing out more toys. Some huge inflatable thing.
Mark Getty.
Who's Mark
She was built
Getty?
1929 to 1930 by German roof as Kita A. Rebel for Russell Alger, chairman of the Packard Motor Company. That was owned by the Packard Motor Company, car company.
I don't know who the Packard Motor Company is.
USS Beaumont until 1946.
Repeat that. In 1943, she was purchased by the U.S. Navy and served as patrol gunboat USS Beaumont until 46. The yacht has also what?
carried the names Chalina, Carola, Elpatal, Jezebel, and Talitha G. Interesting. She is a beauty, but she's definitely doesn't have King Charles inside. Oh, she's got her dog in between her legs on the paddleboard. So cute. Alright. We revved up to 2,300, almost 2,400 RPMs to make sure we were set. Roman's gonna go dive the anchor to make sure that they're good, and Donovan is getting ready to do the same. Power. Oh, Zoe hears Millie. Is that Millie talking to you?
Coming up, babe, over to you.
Who's coming up?
Zoe,
Okay.
right there.
Hey, pretty girl. You gonna go say hi to Millie? Say hi, Millie. Roman's diving his anchor. There's a temple. I believe, if I remember correctly, they call it Apollo's temple. There he goes to look at our anchor. What is it? Are you looking for Millie? Oh, there's a dog on Roxy too. So we got a dog on Roxy, we got Millie on Odyssey X, and we've got this little quiet, calm. Daddy's over here. Is that what you're barking about? Is that who you're looking for? I thought so.
Come see Daddy? She's like, I don't know Daddy. I don't know Daddy. No, I got you. Daddy got you. Daddy got you. Come on. Out of me.
Good girl. Good girl. Cool down a little bit.
Hey.
Good girl.
Good girl. I got you. Daddy got you. Daddy got you.
She needs to swim.
She's like, I'm good with Daddy. I'm good.
Her eyes are so wide open right now. She's like, get me the fuck out of here.
I know. She's like, no, I'm good.
All right, let me get her. This feels so good.
I know, because you're taking a pee, aren't you?
I'm not.
That's what you're doing. Exactly what you're doing.
If you give me soap and a brush, I can wash the outside of the boat.
Whatever. It's a chore. I'm gonna do it later.
Okay, I'm gonna go around. Thank you.
Sweet like wine, got honey on tongue. One hand on a bottle, she got one hand on a gun. She squeezed that trigger, you as good as done. I should be running from you, darling, now to kingdom come. 'Cause my mother told me as a child. The next one just gonna do me worse. So if they all no good, I'll just be bad with you.
This anchorage is perfect for various reasons, including the fact that the water is perfect for cleaning the boat bottom and the props, and Oka was in dire need of a bottom bath, so we took the opportunity of the sun, the warm water, and the shallow depth so we could scrub the props and both hulls squeaky clean.
Good boy, stay away from them bad girls. Them bad girls. The good ones just
Despotiko is an uninhabited small island just south of Antiparos that has a virtually unknown ancient site. Most of the excavations and discoveries on this island have occurred in the last 20 years. It's unknown because it's not technically open to the public yet, and only some pre-arranged private tours are available. Archaeologists have excavated a large 6th century temple which was dedicated to 3 Olympian gods, Apollo, his sister Artemis, and Hestia. They also have discovered several structures and buildings, such as a banqueting hall and an aqueduct.
Sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad.
We go on our next adventure. We are leaving the island of Antiparos, headed west to, I believe, Sifnos.
Glad you came. Glad you came. I was lost till I found.
There's the caves we didn't get to. The water was too choppy yesterday. It was pretty windy and the water was super choppy, and it's about 1.5 miles to where we were anchored back there, and it would have been a really uncomfortable dinghy ride, so we decided to wait an hour or two, and by then the boys had started cleaning the propellers and stuff underwater because the water was nice and calm. So we didn't make it to the caves, but that's all right, we'll see more. So we are now headed to Sifnos, which, wow, if it's that close, it should be that land over there, all the way back there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's a 4-hour sail, so it can't be that far. Can't go very far in 4 hours. Sailboat. Liveaboard. Not Liveaboard, what am I saying? Just Liveaboard.
You look like strangling her. That's just strangling you.
Thanks for watching our episode. Stay tuned for our next one when we continue our travels to Vathi on the island of Sifnos, and then on to the island of Kitnos, where we head out of the Cyclades Islands and on to the Saronic Gulf.
My love won't budge. My love won't fade after the pre